Why is my Google Pixel 3a connected but not charging? This is the case and solutions from Google official support page. Fix a Pixel phones that won't charge or turn on. To troubleshoot battery and performance problems, you can use our self-help flow. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphones/workflows/10832731. Fix battery or performance issues. Use the steps on this page to fix the following problems on your phone. Won't turn on. Has a black or blank screen. Turns on but immediately turns off. Hold the power button first. Try holding down your phone's power button for 5 to 7 seconds. Learn more about turning on your Pixel 6a. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphones/answer/7374159. Troubleshoot your cable, charger, outlet and case important. Use the charger and cable recommended for your phone. 1. Check that your charger and cable work. Try them with another device. Check that the cable is securely connected to the charger and to your phone. Check that there's nothing in the port of your phone, like dust or lint. 2. Check that your outlet works. Plug the charger into a wall outlet. Plug in something else, like a lamp. 3. Check that no accessories, like cases or battery packs, cover the sensors on your phone or press its buttons. Troubleshoot your battery charge. Plug in your phone with a working cable, charger, and outlet, then wait 1 minute. If you see a battery icon, your phone is powered off and is charging. You can restart right away. To check if your phone is charging, open your phone settings app, then tap battery. On Pixel 2 and Pixel 2016, if you see a red light, your battery is fully discharged. If the red light is flashing, there isn't enough power to turn on. Charge your phone for at least 30 minutes before you restart it. Troubleshoot your screen important. If you don't see a battery icon or red light after you plug in your phone, the issue could be with your screen. Press the power button for about 30 seconds. Wait about 2 minutes. Make your phone ring. You can call it from another phone or use Find My Device. Learn how. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphones/answer/61600491. If your phone rings, learn how to troubleshoot your screen. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphones/answer/60100316. If it doesn't, go to the advanced steps. Troubleshoot with advanced steps. Option 1. Troubleshoot by connecting to a computer. 1. Check that your computer is on and connected to a power source. 2. Connect your phone to your computer's USB or USB-C port with a cable that works. 3. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Disconnect the cable from your phone, then reconnect it within 10 seconds. 5. If you see a battery icon within 1 minute, your phone is powered off and charging. 6. Charge your phone for at least 30 minutes. 7. Press and hold the power button until your phone restarts. You might need to tap restart. Option 2. Troubleshoot using your phone's buttons with your phone plugged in. Press and hold both the volume down button and the power button at the same time for at least 20 seconds. If you see a red light, your battery is fully discharged. 1. Charge your phone for at least 30 minutes. 2. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. 3. On your screen, tap restart. If you see an Android robot and the word "Start" with an arrow around it. 1. Press the volume down button until you see the option to power off. Press the power button to pick power off. 2. Charge your phone for at least 30 minutes. 3. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. 4. On your screen, tap Restart, or press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds, until your phone restarts. For possible solutions to other issues with your phone's reset, you can post questions on our forums to the Pixel community. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphone/community/. Still have issues with your Pixel 6a phone? Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.